The air emergency in the national capital is our top focus this Wednesday morning because the Supreme Court will be resuming its hearing on the matter. Remember that on Monday, the Supreme Court had come down hard on the centre as well as state governments. And today, they will be resuming the hearing at 10:30 this morning. The central government, Delhi as well as Haryana governments will submit their proposals to the top court of the steps they're taking to fight air pollution. The top court in its hearing on Monday came down heavily on states for failing to curb pollution. Following the RAP, Centre chaired a 2-hour-long meeting on Tuesday with officials of Delhi, Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh along with the Commission of Air Quality Management. The pollution panel has directed all schools, colleges in the NCR to remain shut till further notice. It's also banned all construction and demolition activities in the region till November 21st. Trucks carrying only essential items are allowed in Delhi. The NCR state governments have been directed to allow work from home until further notice, while private offices are advised to follow suit. Meanwhile, Delhi's air continues to remain toxic. It's in the very poor category. The AQI in the capital is at 379. As we speak, inching closer to severe category each passing day. The air quality, in fact, is worse in Noida, where it's already in the severe category.
और रनिंग उसमें इशू होते हैं। जिस इंटेंसिटी से हम पहले कर पाते थे उस इंटेंसिटी से अब नहीं कर पाते हैं, तो थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेन पड़ता है।
जो सांस के मरीज हैं उनको ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो रही है और जो यंग जनरेशन है उनको भी थोड़ी सांस रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है। मैं रोज़ सुबह 5:30 बजे पार्क में जाके आता हूँ, जिससे मुझे काफ़ी बेटर फील हो रहा है कि जो पोल्यूशन का लेवल है जो मॉर्निंग में रहता है वो बहुत।
Let's take this across to Anisha Mathur. She's joining us live from Delhi with the latest updates on this. Anisha, good morning. On Monday, you had the Supreme Court pulling up the centre and several state governments. It finally prompted all of them to sit together across the table and discuss what needs to be done to tackle the air pollution. What's expected today? Because we understand that several state governments as well as the centre will be submitting details of what they believe will help in curbing the air pollution.
Well, yes, we are expecting the centre to file a detailed affidavit on the outcome of this meeting of the Central Air Quality Monitoring Committee that was held during the last couple of days. The decisions that were taken and released just last night, as you mentioned, that process from entering the construction activities apart from railways and essential importance of
Okay. Right, Anisha, we'll come back to you. We're having a bit of a problem with your audio. Anisha will be getting us details of that hearing in the Supreme Court, which will begin at 10:30 this morning.